This pipe cleaner unicorn is a more advanced pipe cleaner project, but I can show you how to make it with easy step-by-step instructions. For this project, you'll need 9 white pipe cleaners, 1 yellow and 1 pink pipe cleaner, and 1 purple extra fuzzy pipe cleaner. A regular one will work as well. Fingernail clippers, googly eyes, and craft glue. Start the unicorn by holding 2 white pipe cleaners together and gently folding them in half. You don't want to make a tight crease at the end. This is going to be the unicorn's nose, so just make a nice U shape with the 2 pipe cleaners, like so. Take another white pipe cleaner and still holding the 2 together. Start just about a little less than ½ an inch from the end of the nose and start wrapping it around all of the layers of pipe cleaners to start making the head of the unicorn. Wrap 1 coil right on top of the other. Tuck in the end. Take another pipe cleaner and start a few coils in and start building up the back of the head. Again, 1 coil right on top of the other. And tuck in the end. Now we're going to make the mane. So cut your fluffy purple pipe cleaner in half. If you don't have a fluffy pipe cleaner, sometimes they're hard to find, you can use a regular one too. And you're going to leave a little tail about ½ an inch, and then you're going to fan fold the pipe cleaner just loosely back and forth to make a fluffy mane. So I'm going to take this tail end and I'm going to stick it right into the back of the head there. Okay, now take another white pipe cleaner and you're going to create the neck and attach the mane to the body by putting the pipe cleaner in between the folds. I'm going to attach it onto the neck right there at the base of the head, and then I'm going to wrap this around to make the neck going in between the folds of the mane. And I'm probably going to go twice around in between each one. And you don't want that to stretch out too long, so you're going to be kind of squishing this together as you go. When you're done wrapping, you'll have about half of the pipe cleaner left. Just set that out of the way for now. And then you're going to take 2 of the tails and bend them down, and these are going to become the front legs. They're too long, we'll be trimming those. And then bend the other 2 tails down so that you have about 2½ to 3 inches, and these will become the back legs. So now take that remaining pipe cleaner left over from the neck and just wrap it around the body towards the back legs just to keep everything in place. I'm going to trim these front legs now, just to get them out of the way, so make them the same size as the back legs. Now with the remaining white pipe cleaners, you're going to fill out the body. So we want to make the body thicker right up here at the top and thinner down towards the bottom. So I'm going to take 2 or 3 pipe cleaners to wrap around here to make a thick body on my unicorn. So just coil loosely, one right almost on top of the other. I'm going to start another one here. I'm going to coil more loosely as I go along. I want the body to be nice and thick. I'm going to finish the back of the body. It's not as thick as the front, so I'm just going to use 1 pipe cleaner in this area and tuck in the end. Now with the other half of my fluffy pipe cleaner, I'm going to insert 1 end into the back of the unicorn. Make sure it's in far enough so that it'll stay secure, and this is going to make the fluffy tail, so I'm going to turn it up and then out a little bit and use my fingernail clippers to cut off the end. Now I'm going to use the pink pipe cleaner to make the hooves on the unicorn. So I'm going to hold it against the end of one of the legs and just wrap it about 4 or 5 times around to make a tiny little hoof on the end. Then you want to use the fingernail clippers to clip off the end. If you have a little bit extra of your white sticking out here, you can also use the fingernail clippers to clip that off if you need to. Do the same thing for all 4 hooves. All right, now we're going to make the horn and the ears. So I'm going to turn up the neck and then bend the head forward. Get it in the right position there. So with the scraps that I cut off from the front legs, I'm just going to form little ears by making triangles. They're much bigger than they need to be because we're going to put them down deep into the head. So just 2 little tight triangles. And then we're going to just stick them between coils of the head, pressing them down in securely. Now to make the horn, we're going to take the remainder of our pink pipe cleaner and hold it against a yellow pipe cleaner, and we're going to do a really tight twist. Just as tight as you can, especially at the end there to make a point. Twist these together until it's as long as you want your horn to be. That looks about right. Then take your fingernail clippers and leave a couple of tails about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch long so that you can stick it into the head. Find a coil on the head in between or just in front of the ears, and I'm going to send those 2 tails right down in there. It should hold securely on its own. If you're nervous about it, you can put a little bit of glue if you'd like. And the very last step is to glue on the eyes. Once the glue is dry, your unicorn is ready to go. Please subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.